Welcome to Tickle Your Taste Buds. Today I'm going to show you how to make a most delicious butter chicken. Here in the bowl, I have 1 kg of chicken cut into small pieces. Okay, we're going to now marinate the chicken. I'm going to start off with the garam masala, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 green chilies finely chopped, a teaspoon of salt, some lemon juice. I'm now going to mix and marinate the chicken. Okay, we're going to leave the chicken to marinate for about 10 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, we're now going to make the sauce in a separate bowl. We're going to use 1 cup of tomato puree, 250 ml of fresh cream, and 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. Okay, we're going to give this a stir. We're going to now add 80 grams of butter into a saucepan. After adding the butter, we're now going to add the chicken. Give it a slight mix. We can leave this now to cook for 20 minutes on medium heat. After 10 minutes, give it a slight stir. I'm now going to add the sauce. I'm going to mix the chicken. I'm going to leave it to cook for another 5 minutes. It's now been 5 minutes. You'll now start to see a little bit of butter on the top. Once you see that, you know the chicken is now ready to serve. Here we have butter chicken ready to serve. Here we have a lovely butter chicken served with white rice.